I got dressed, I eagerly followed the museums around them parties in the town, outdoors or outdoors. I even asked my friend to walk along the beach. We begged outfits and had plastic bottles we sent in them for we made voices laughing while they all were tired of walking around. I knew it was time to try out the real deal. I did a few audience. The first time it was a sister. I couldn't get my breath and I started to cry. I just want to run home, but the leader was very